guys, I'm Dee Klein, and The Incredible Egg has invited me to share one of my absolute favorite dinner egg recipes. My cabbage and egg skillet is so perfect for any weeknight meal, and it comes together in just minutes. And we're gonna start by sauteing some cabbage. You wanna saute this so it gets really, really soft. The softer it gets, the better. And a little bit of salt helps make that process go even faster because it helps draw out that moisture. We have some shiitake mushrooms. You just want to slice these thinly. All right, mushrooms are all sliced up. Our cabbage is starting to wilt down here. It's getting nice bright green. Starting to smell like dinner, huh? Throw those mushrooms in there and let those start wilting down and doing their thing. So while those all start to cook together and get really nice and soft, we're gonna start working on our egg component. So I have a nice big bowl here. We're gonna put in some soy sauce, sesame oil, we have some garlic powder and some scallions that we're gonna add in at the end. And of course, we have dinner eggs. These are some extra special eggs. I wanna explain something to you. This is a breakfast egg, and this is a dinner egg. Breakfast egg, dinner egg. Got 6 eggs here. I'm a mom of 2 with one on the way, and eggs are one of the richest food sources of choline, and that is so good for baby's brain development. So let's just say I'm just doing lots of eggs these days. At the end of the day, I'm exhausted, okay? I'm so tired, but dinner comes together in just minutes when you have eggs. Am I right? Do I need to explain it to you again? Give your little eggs a little spin, make them nice and fluffy. All right, in goes some scallions. We have some soy sauce here, sesame oil, garlic powder. Give it all a whisk together. I smell that garlic. All right, we are ready to get these eggs into the pan. So you're just gonna mix this around a little bit just so it starts to cook a tiny bit. Work everything together, and then we're just gonna cover it for the last few minutes while it finishes cooking. Spread it around in that pan. Now that I have it all flattened out, I'm gonna take my lid, cover it up, and while it's working in there, I'm gonna get all ready to serve it up. This is almost ready, so I'm gonna chop up some scallions. I'm just gonna use the green parts to make it look extra pretty. Okay, are you guys excited? Take off the lid. Oh, snap, that looks so good. So all you're gonna do is just run your little spatula around them. Make sure these are loosey-goosey. Ready to go right on our plate. So we got our plate here. And da-da-da-da. Whoa, that looks so good. We're gonna top this guy with all these goodies, all right? So first we got some furikake seasoning, all right? There's some little seaweed in here. Also looks really pretty. It smells like the ocean. Love it so much. And we have some chili flakes. And we've got some scallions just to tie the whole thing together. And there you have it, guys. My cabbage and egg skillet. Perfect dinner eggs any night of the week. Hope you love it. And if my family loves it, I know yours will too. Go make yourself some dinner eggs.